Okay, so let's talk about this paper. So what you're wanting to do is, one, identify what should the angles equal. And they don't really make it very clear that this 143 right here is what both of these should be. So when we make our equation, it should have an equal 143. Now, since it takes both of these to equal that, you are going to add them. Okay? So since I'm going to add them, my equation then is the x minus 4 plus 20. All right, so that's how I'd make my equation. Next, I want to combine my like terms. I don't have any other x's to combine, so I got to do something with this negative 4 and this 20. Okay, if I owe you $4 and I got 20, I really only have $16. So my new equation will be x plus 16 equals the 143. And then you use the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So you're subtracting 16 from both sides to get your answer. Okay. All right, so let's look at the next one. They are vertical. So since they are vertical, let me change my color up. This will go blue. Since they are vertical, that means that good old, it's harder to do this than I thought it would be. All right, so this is 111, and this should also equal 111. So you would make your equation, your x plus 15 equals 111. And then do, what's the opposite of adding 15? Subtracting 15. Okay. So from there, you can solve it. All right. This one, this is a supplementary angle because they make a straight line. Straight means 180 degrees. Okay. So if I add this angle along with this angle, they together equal the 180. Okay, so x plus 30 is our first angle, plus the 95 in the other one, together equals 180. Combine your like terms and then subtract. All right, this is another one that's kind of hard to see what they're actually putting together. Here, they want you to know that these angles here equal this 3x value. Okay, we don't know what x is, so we can't say, oh, this is the value of both of those. But what they do tell you is that this one angle is 67, and they tell you this angle is 92. So when we make our equation, it should be that my 3x equals whatever 67 plus 92 is. Then add your like terms, and then when the opposite of multiplication is division. Okay. 5, once again, you're going to set them equal to each other because they are vertical. They have the same value. All right. Here's another supplementary. So together, so if you add them, they should equal your 180. Okay, so x minus 61 plus my 128 is going to equal my 180. All right, 7, another little tricky one. Okay, they break it down. This angle here is the x minus 42. Okay, let me do that a little bit better. I keep wanting to, there we go. Okay, that's what that means. This 167 is what the sum of both of those angles are. And then the 71 goes with that angle. Okay, so you're going to want to set the angles all together is going to equal your 167. Okay, so then you're going to have your x minus 42 plus my 71. Okay, and then just like the other one earlier, you're going to set these equal. They're vertical angles. Vertical means equal to each other. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, just send me an email.